Stop wasting your money on a smart speaker that's stuck in the past. If you've been waiting for the perfect moment to upgrade your home audio, that wait is officially nearing its end. For months, the rumors have been swirling, but now we have the truth. Apple is finally ready to refresh its most popular smart speaker. Welcome back to Tech Vibe. I'm your host, and today we aren't just talking about a speaker. We're talking about the missing piece of your Apple ecosystem. We have the latest intel on the upcoming HomePod Mini 2, the hardware that's been sitting in Apple's headquarters for months, and why this is about to change everything you thought you knew about smart home control. Let's dive in. Is your smart home actually smart, or is it just waiting for an upgrade? For the past 6 years, the original HomePod Mini has been a staple in Apple households, but the silence from Cupertino has been deafening. That silence is about to end. If you've been holding off on filling your home with Apple's audio ecosystem, you are about to understand exactly why that patience is paying off. This isn't just a minor refresh. It's a complete pivot in how Apple intends to own your living room, your kitchen, and your daily routine. We're talking about the new brain powering this device, the long-awaited Siri AI integration, and a design philosophy that changes everything we know about the mini speaker. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this device has been sitting in Apple's labs for months, waiting for the right moment to launch, and why it might be the most important piece of hardware you buy this year. For months, reliable industry insiders have confirmed that the hardware for the new HomePod Mini has been effectively finished. Apple didn't delay this because they couldn't figure out the speakers. They delayed it because of the software. We are looking at the integration of the rebuilt, highly personalized Siri, the cornerstone of Apple Intelligence. Unlike the original Mini, which often struggled to understand complex, multi-step commands, the HomePod Mini 2 is designed to act as the primary node for Apple's new smart home intelligence. Imagine walking into your home and having your devices not just respond to simple requests, but anticipate your needs based on your habits, your location, and even the time of day. This is the difference between a voice-activated speaker and a true smart home hub. The core of this upgrade lies in the chip. The transition to a more powerful, AI-capable processor is what allows for local processing of requests. This means faster responses, better privacy, and most importantly, the ability for your home to function even when your internet connection is flickering. The original Mini was limited by its hardware footprint, but the second generation is expected to leverage a chip capable of handling Apple Intelligence tasks on device. This is massive for users who value security. You want your smart home to know your preferences, but you don't necessarily want that data living in the cloud. With the HomePod Mini 2, the goal is to keep your voice logs and your behavioral patterns processed right there in the device, keeping your private life private. But it's not just about what's under the hood. It's about the acoustic architecture. The original Mini punched well above its weight class, but there were physical limitations to the soundstage. Rumors and supply chain leaks suggest a revamped driver system for the Mini 2. Apple has been iterating on their beamforming technology in the larger HomePod, and the expectation is that they're bringing a refined version of that to the Mini. We're talking about better room sensing capabilities, which allow the speaker to dynamically adjust its EQ in real time. Whether it's sitting on a bookshelf, a kitchen counter, or a hard surface, the audio should feel balanced, crisp, and surprisingly deep. For those of you who currently use a stereo pair of Minis, the promise here is an even wider, more immersive soundstage that makes traditional mono speakers feel like relics of the past. We've seen reports of Apple pushing into a broader smart home strategy. The HomePod Mini 2 isn't just a standalone speaker. It is intended to be the bridge to other upcoming products, like the rumored Smart Display or Home Hub. Apple is finally taking the fight to Amazon's Echo Show and Google's Nest Hub, but they're doing it the Apple way, focusing on seamless integration. If you're already deep in the Apple ecosystem with your iPhone, Mac, and Apple TV, the HomePod Mini 2 acts as the glue. Handoff is expected to be faster and more intuitive, and the integration with Apple TV 4K will allow for a more cinematic experience, with dialogue enhancement that actually works. Think about it. You're watching a movie. The dialogue is buried in the mix, and instead of messing with your TV settings, you just tell your HomePod to boost the voices. It's that level of friction-free utility that defines the premium experience. We know the current HomePod has built-in temperature and humidity sensors that are currently underutilized. The HomePod Mini 2 is tipped to push these features to the forefront. By integrating these sensors with Apple's new Home app, you'll be able to create automations that feel like science fiction. You want your blinds to close automatically when the sun hits a certain angle and the room temperature spikes? The HomePod Mini 2 will be the device that triggers that command, silently and reliably. This makes it an essential tool for energy management and home comfort, not just a way to play your favorite playlists. While Apple rarely strays far from a winning formula, we are expecting new color options and possibly a more durable mesh material. There have even been whispers about magnetic base attachments that could allow you to mount it in places you never thought possible. Imagine a sleek, minimal speaker that doesn't just sit on your desk, but lives on your wall, providing high-fidelity sound and intelligent control without taking up valuable space. This design flexibility is key to Apple's broader goal, making the smart home invisible but omnipresent. The smart home market is crowded. You have cheaper speakers, you have displays with cameras, and you have systems that integrate with everything. Why stick with Apple? It comes down to trust. We've seen how other companies use voice data to target ads or train massive models without clear user consent. Apple's stance on privacy is its biggest competitive advantage. By investing in a dedicated, high-performance chip for the HomePod Mini 2, they are betting that you will pay a premium for a device that works, stays secure, and respects your boundaries. When you buy this device, you aren't just buying a speaker. You're buying into an architecture that protects your digital footprint. With the 2026 product cycle in full swing and Apple's push into AI-driven home tech, a fall release window is the most likely scenario. Apple often bundles these releases with their annual hardware events. This gives them time to finalize the software updates for Siri and ensure that the new Home Hub and the Mini 2 work in perfect harmony right out of the box. If you're someone who values audio quality, privacy, and seamless automation, this is the hardware upgrade you've been waiting for. We are moving toward a world where your home knows what you need before you even ask for it. The HomePod Mini 2 is the missing piece of that puzzle. It bridges the gap between the simple voice commands of the past and the intelligent, predictive home of the future. We want to know what you think. Is the smart home finally becoming smart enough? Or are you still skeptical about bringing more microphones into your living space? Are you waiting for the HomePod Mini 2 to complete your setup, or do you have your eye on something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We read every single one, and your insights help shape our next deep dives. If you found this breakdown helpful and want to stay ahead of the curve on Apple's upcoming product launches, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We're tracking every leak, every rumor, and every move in the tech space to ensure you're always the most informed person in the room. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.